Oh, hey, what's up? It's Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Sorry, just finishing up a game of Angry Birds, which I can never seem to win because all these Keystone Montanas come with 4G Wi-Fi extenders built in them. And I'm currently seated at the freestanding dinette for a two-person here in the 2020 Keystone Montana 3701 LK, which you're going to see here in just a minute stands for luxurious kitchen. Got the chair buddy attachment here on these, and this does extend out if you needed to seat more than two people. But this really helps keep the chairs in place while in transit. And you're going to notice here on the campsite that this one slide, extremely large, luxurious, bourbon-styled interior with the windows and just everything in it. The valances have solid wood. LED lights have residential access. Keystone takes so much pride in what they do, which is probably one of the reasons why they're one of the top selling luxury fifth wheels for 18 years plus now. Just look at the LED accents atop the, that's just solid wood going all the way across the top. This is a living area and kitchen that even Gordon Ramsay would say, okay. Take a look at this large residential Samsung fridge and deep well freezer. And of course, Keystone, what they've done is they've warrantied and built all of their fifth wheels to be permanent residences. They go from 0 degrees all the way up to 110 degrees with their extreme weather. That's in helps of that foam core insulation and the radiant foil on the end cap. Really helps keep that extreme weather out. Frosted glass on the solid wood shaker style cabinets. This unit's going to give you plenty of storage space. But like I mentioned, that LK luxurious kitchen, let me get out the way so you can see this. That is style. Yes, you want to come over and let's do some cooking in my L-shaped large kitchen. Just take a look at the prep space that you have here. You got charging ports on the pop-up that come up, plus the USB chargers. Got a wine rack here. Once again, that bourbon finish on the interior. Solid shaker style cabinets, giving you plenty of storage space. Got the deep well stainless steel sinks, what they call the 70-30 or 60-40 split, however you want to measure it. Brushed nickel finish on the high-rise faucet with a sprayer handle. Corian countertop, single poured all the way across. And then we come over to the actual cooking area just past our convection oven. You see the frosted glass there. The backsplash continues all the way through. I like to call this the Viking hood because that's just what it looks like to me, those nice Viking hoods. But that's a vented hood that goes all the way up, the vents out there. 3-burner Furion stove, 21-inch large oversized oven, and the LED accents continue throughout the bottom all the way through the kitchen, making this a great night light. But this is the RV that if you wanted to live permanently, entertain permanently, more importantly, cook permanently, you got a great space to do this. Imagine tailgating in this RV. You pull up to the game and yeah, we're gonna eat in here and then go to the game. Got the Thomas Paine luxury recliners. These are powered, heated, and they have the massage, so it's powered in and out. They say that you can't sleep in the recliners. I disagree completely. You open up these windows either on the campsite or opposite campsite. You let that mountain breeze blow in or beach breeze, wherever you take this and set it up, it's going to be a good night's sleep. You got opposing living room slides that have the Thomas Paine couches in both sides, plus large bay windows with the LED accent lights all the way across. And these do fold out into sleepers. So easily 2 adults there, easily 2 adults here. And in the entertainment area, you're going to see those frosted glass, which is, it has a texture to it, solid, more storage there. 50-inch large 4K TV, which is Jensen. Jensen also has your AM, FM CD player. Got more storage there. And these LED backlit fireplaces, they have two, both 750 and 1500 watt dual heat settings on them. This could heat this whole area easily. Now granted, you got the 35,000 BTU furnace, 15,000 BTU air conditioner, but this residential slip resistant flooring is not only easy to clean, but you'll notice the ducts that are in the floor, Keystone has that racetrack style heating system with the tough lock joints that are almost unbreakable, so you're not going to have soft spots. But more importantly than that, you're going to be able to evenly heat this RV all the way throughout. It won't be 70 in the bedroom, 50 in the kitchen. Control panel is right here, so you can get that in there, Bobo. Got more storage here in the mudroom area. Great place to hang your backpacks, your hiking gear, whatever. Got a spot right there. Pegboard there if you want to peg your keys in. Of course, you got the hooks. Got the central vac system down here on the bottom step. Right there. And of course, that collection point is underneath. Automatic LED light when you're coming up the steps for that extra security. Also, the wooden handle. Come into the bathroom. Corian countertop on the sink with the half moon stainless steel single basin sink with the brushed nickel fixtures there, mirror, medicine cabinet storage here. But you know, it's just some of those nice little accents that makes Keystone such a good residential RV. Everything from these little hangers right here to the automatic lit storage there. I mean, you can't beat that. Ceramic bowl with the foot flush. Barn style pocket door here, large single surround 48-inch shower with the corner grooves here and the bench seat. I got plenty of room left to right, up and down. I'm over 6'2", but take a look at this crystal clear skylight. You don't even really need to cut the light on when you're taking a shower in here. That gives you so much light. You got the adjustable shower handle here, brushed nickel as well. I mean, just a great residential feel. Now, let's make our way over to the master bedroom. Pardon me there. And look, luxury is going to continue. Oh, by the way, did you see how when I stepped over here, the light came on? It's going to stay on now. But motion sensing light behind this mirrored wardrobe that has its own shelf and hamper. Because, you know, you got to have the dirty laundry spot. Don't want that laying around. Got the hanger there. King size bed with the padded headboard. Windows on both sides with the small nightstands. Chargers on both sides, which is a really nice touch. But that bourbon accent, even here in the master bedroom slide, which not only gives you nice pass-through, walk-around spacing, but it's just a tremendously beautiful accent all the way throughout. There's your extra storage chairs for your freestanding dinette, and this is washer and dryer prep. Storage here as well. Solid door, which is grooved. Usually when you see this, that's going to let you know that these are set up for washer and dryer. TV for the master. Space right here on top of the wardrobe. And of course, since it is Keystone, you know you're going to get these solid cabinets with the brushed nickel fixtures, deep well, got their own ball bearings, so they're extremely smooth, and they extend all the way out, giving you luxury, space, style, and comfort, which is what Keystone is all about. If you've been thinking about a permanent residence with a kitchen that everybody's going to be jealous of, you're going to want to come check this one out. You see how beautiful it is on the inside? Wait till you see what we got for you on the outside. Okay, so here we are on the back of the outside of the 2020 Keystone Montana 3701 LK. I wanted to start back here because, yeah, it's a little bit tight, but wanted you to see how high those roofs are. This is prepped for backup camera. All you gotta do is talk to our service folks. But this solid mounted ladder, which goes all the way over the top, giving you extra security. Got the hitch down here at the bottom if you needed to tow something for you. All of these come standard. And as we make our way around, you know, these are rated for extreme weather, like I mentioned on the inside, 0 degrees all the way to 110 degrees. And that's because these tubular aluminum frames that these things are built on have that foam core insulation, really keeping those extreme weather conditions out. Right here on the back, you'll see that's one of your dump access handles right there, which is right here. And of course, fully heated and sealed underbelly on this Keystone Montana. Seamless sealed tinted safety glass all the way throughout. You got the True Fit slides, which is built to slide in easily, reducing the use of components, which means you don't have to worry about something breaking. Also, having the slide topper, that's a great addition because that helps keep some of the elements off of this camper. Take a look at the wheels. You got a double axle travel trailer here with the Road Armor suspension, which is patented to Keystone. That helps evenly distribute that weight so that when you're moving around, you won't have that bouncing up and down. Come around, you got your 50 amp service plug right there. Got the Keystone external command center, if you will. Here's your external shower, winterizing system. Got your bypass, your city water connections, your tank flush, battery disconnect. And Bob, see if you can get this in here. Key TV is a phenomenal addition. Yeah, we're outside camping, but you're still gonna worry about the entertainment. And having one spot where everything comes into, satellite cable, just antenna, you're not chasing cables throughout the system. Got your tank flushes there. External hose there if you need to stick a hose through. And since it is Keystone, everything's going to be color coded for you so that you have easy access to not only find but fix anything if necessary. Strut supported open, heated pass-through storage, which gives you a ton of space finished off as well. Two 30-pound LP tanks on both sides. Electronic automatic leveling, which you talk about luxury, that's probably one of the best things going. Pull up, let it auto level itself. You can see your jacks right there. You got them front, center, and rear. And I always tell people, check this side panel. This is extremely important. This is going to tell you how much this vehicle weighs as far as the gross vehicle weight. You can see it's in kilograms and pounds, 16,400 right there. But always talk to the RV specialist as well and ask them, you know, hey, this is what my vehicle says it can tow. What is this going to weigh when I put blah, 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 blah in it? They're the experts. Let them help you. Road Armor fifth wheel hitch, which does help when handling and carrying this vehicle. It has that 90-degree max plus turn radius. Plus you have the mirrored backup space right there, which really helps you. You got the LED lights and the molded radiant foil sealed end cap, which once again helps with those extreme elements. Keeps everything that you want in, and what you don't want out. Large 12-foot awning. You got the external speakers here, the other side of the pass-through storage with your charging ports there, your central vac connection, which we had mentioned on the inside. This is where you get everything out of. Key TV connections there. So if you wanted to set up an external TV, you absolutely could. Power right here. Got the solid step above steps. And if you remember, before 2020, the handles were sideways. I like what Keystone did here with the up and down handle. It doesn't make it any easier, it just seems like it's a nicer grab, or at least to me. Got the larger exterior handle here, and of course your two slides on this side. So if you've been looking for luxury and comfort and a kitchen that would make even the best chef jealous, this is the unit you want to come take a look at. Leave me some comments down below and let me know, what did you think of this 2020 Keystone Montana 3701 LK? Did you like the kitchen layout? Do you like that L style? Is it too much space? Not enough space? I love to hear your comments. And where would you see yourself taking this thing? What's your dream RVing experience? At Gander RV and Outdoors, that's what we're about. We're about the extreme, going from extreme luxury to extremely happy, your RV dreams. That's what we're all about. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. And as always, come check out a Montana.